A face mill is a powerful tool characterized by its large, disc-shaped body, which is engineered for high-efficiency machining. The body of the face mill is typically made from durable steel, giving it the strength needed to handle the forces of milling. Instead of traditional cutting flutes, face mills use multiple cutting inserts. These inserts, often made from carbide, are attached around the periphery of the tool. These inserts can be easily replaced when worn out, keeping the tool sharp and effective. Face mills attach to the CNC machine spindle via a central mounting hole or through an arbor. This secure attachment ensures stability during high-speed operations. One of the standout features of a face mill is its large cutting diameter. This allows the tool to cover a wide area in a single pass, making it incredibly efficient for machining large surfaces. The inserts are often set at a specific lead angle, usually around 45 degrees. This angle plays a crucial role in reducing cutting forces and improving the surface finish. The body is typically made from hardened steel, providing the necessary durability and strength to handle high cutting forces. The cutting edges, made from carbide, offer superior hardness and heat resistance. This makes carbide inserts ideal for high-speed machining, maintaining their edge even under tough conditions. For even more demanding applications, face mills may use ceramic or cermet inserts. These materials are perfect for high-speed operations on extremely hard materials. To further enhance performance, many inserts are coated with materials like titanium nitride or diamond-like carbon. These coatings reduce friction, increase wear resistance, and extend the life of the tool, primarily used for face milling, creating flat, smooth surfaces with precision. Face mills are designed to remove material from the top of the workpiece in wide, flat passes. When it comes to surface finishing, face mills excel. The multiple cutting edges and angle work together to produce a high-quality finish, perfect for parts requiring smooth, flat surfaces. Their large cutting diameter and multiple inserts make them ideal for roughing operations, efficiently clearing material with fewer passes. Face mills are also used in step milling, where material is removed in layers, creating a series of flat surfaces at different levels. Whether you're preparing surfaces, finishing parts, or removing large amounts of material, face mills are indispensable tools in CNC machining. Their design, with replaceable inserts and large coverage, makes them both efficient and cost-effective for any job.